Hi there oil campers, hope you're having a great time on oil camp. I'm Sarah and I'm here to talk to you about something very special, one of the beautiful oils that has so many purposes, lemon oil. Today I'm going to talk about lemon oil and cleaning. Have you ever got a sticky label that you just can't get off and you don't want to use a dangerous solvent? Well, lemon oil is fantastic for that. I've got a spray bottle that I use for cleaning, which I'll show you what you can do with lemon oil and that in a second. But first of all, let's have a look at the sticky label that is still on there. So what you need to do, if you want to get rid of the sticky label, is grab your lemon, put a couple of drops on there. Depending on how big the actual sticky label is, I think I just put 4 on there. And as you can see, it's just sitting there. Give it a little rub around and let it do its magic. You only need to wait a few moments and then it'll come straight off. We're going to leave it for a few moments. So I'm just going to tell you what else you can do with the beautiful lemon oil. So with lemon oil, you can clean everything in your house. You can clean your floors, you can clean your windows, you can clean surfaces. It is a great idea to dilute it, and it is an awesome idea to mix it with a bit of water and vinegar. So if you have a spray bottle like this, fill it up with half water, half vinegar, and around about this size. It's not a huge bottle, so you can just use probably between 10 and 20 drops. I would like to do 20 drops because I really love lemon so much. It smells so beautiful. Makes your house smell amazing. So you just pour that in. You pour in your water, halfway. You pour in your vinegar, halfway, and then you put your drops of lemon in. I've already added a few before, so pretend I put 20 in. That's your 20 drops. And then you can spray wherever and clean wherever. It's wonderful. You can also put it into your mop bucket with water. That'll freshen up your house beautifully. But now let's have a look at the sticky label and see how that's gone. So here's the sticky label on the bottom. As you can see, it's still there. I'm going to wipe it with my cloth and it is coming off. Look at that. That last little bit with the cloth. No more sticky label. Isn't that wonderful? Thanks for listening. Enjoy your lemon oil campers, and I'll catch you around. Bye.